I've partnered up with Comox Valley Toyota to get my hands on the new 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter, and this truck is ridiculously rad. I can't believe this is a stock truck, and I can't believe this is my current setup right now. It has 33-inch tires and about a 2-inch lift with that off-road suspension, a snorkel on the front for river crossings. It has crawl control, which lets you get down any steep hill with ease and control your speed. And there's even an air compressor in the bed of the truck. I got a bike rack on the back, the Saris MHS rack. I have the prototype Marin Quake downhill bike and my Alpine Trail XR. And this is my current setup right now. This thing is so crazy. I couldn't be more stoked.